outside. We're ready. Hey fanatics, welcome. It's your girl Mel. I hope you guys are doing well. Coming up, I will be sharing clips of Spice live performance at the BRT Weekend held in Atlantic City, New Jersey. And also, I will be sharing a few clips of her spending time with her children. The show definitely had a great vibe going, fireworks and all. And what I'm seeing here, it looks like Spice's son was also at the show. I guess boy is going up. I personally love this look on her. It was a pretty simple yet stylish bodysuit, if you get where I'm coming from. This shade of blue looked great on her. It complements her outfit very well. I won't say much more. Watch this video for yourself and let me know what you think about it in the comment section.
But no, y'all gonna love the fuck over here. Leave me on the almond tree. Jump the back fence, man. Me, I gotta make you fly like the bird and one a long time first them there. Come in me. When you're coming on the ramping, make sure you do what you want. I love you too, baby.
Where do you want?
Nicholas, oh, TikTok go. Look what I made. Look what I made. Easy to share.
Yeah.
Look what I made.
You have made it to the end of another video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend about our channel. Stay tuned for more videos. Peace. I'm out.